Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. It is currently 6:23 Saturday morning. Why am I up so early? Well, an hour ago there was some fire activity in an alley across the street from me, and trying to see what was going on. It was probably a rubbish fire or something, because one of the firefighters had a water canister and there was no fire hoses or anything, so I'm guessing it was a rubbish fire. So yeah, let's get this unboxing started. Alright, here it is. It is the Volvo EC480E, made by Motorart in 1/50th scale. And it appears to be the later editions because it has the orange highlighted handrails. This is the second 48-ton excavator, Volvo excavator, in my collection. The first one's the 480D, which is my all-time favorite excavator. Alright, take this out nice and easy. Yep, this is one of the later releases, because if I remember correctly, these handrails used to be yellow, and I think the re-releases, they have the orange ones. So yeah, this is the later release of it. Awesome. I've always wanted to get one of these excavators, but I always pass them up and buy something else. These E-series excavators look pretty slick. But yeah, here we go. That is the unboxing video for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna go back to sleep.